In this video, you are going to see how to set the default font and the default size in Microsoft Word document. Here, my default font is Times New Roman. If you want to set your default font, just go to Home, go to Font and click on over this small arrow symbol. Now, select the font of your choice. Let me select the font Calibri and let me select the font style to regular and select the font size to 11 point. You can choose the font color, underline. Now here you will see an option set as default. Let us click on over here. If I check this option, this document only, the font will be applied only for this document. And if I click on all documents based on the normal template, then the Calibri font will be as a default font for all the Word document. Let us select this one, click on OK, and let us open a new Word document. Click on the Word and click on blank document, and here you will see the magic. My default font is Calibri and the size is 11. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.